So the day we've all been waiting for is finally here, a live hands-on video with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, and huge shout out to my dude Jimmy as promo. He recently leaked out some real photos of the Note 20 Ultra, and now he put out his teaser hands-on video with the Note 20 Ultra, pretty much showing us everything. So go follow him, I'll leave his links in the description below because he will be posting more, and I probably won't cover every single one of his videos. So he starts off by confirming it's the Note 20 Ultra and then shows us that it's running the new One UI 2.5. Then he shows us a side-by-side comparison of the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 10 Plus, and we can see that the S Pen and speaker have both been moved to the opposite side of what we had on the Note 10 Plus. And you can see just how much bigger the camera bump is compared to the Note 10 Plus. Now the S Pens from both devices will actually fit in the opposite device, so this just tells us that there are no physical changes there, which we pretty much expected by the leaked photos. Then we have another side-by-side comparison, really giving us a good look at the back and that new camera setup. And honestly, I'm really liking it. I think it looks a lot cleaner. Now, of course, it is thicker than what we have on the Note 10 Plus, but it does look pretty nice. So a new feature that will be brought to the S Pen will be the ability to use it as a pointer, which will be great for a lot of different things, especially if you use this for business. So going back to that camera hump, he confirms that it is bigger than the S20 Ultra. Now it doesn't look wider, but it does look like it pops out more. So even though I do think it looks cool, I did already say before that the cameras on the S20 Ultra popped out too much. So we'll see just how much bigger this one is once I get my own official hands on with it. Of course, it can always be hidden with a case. But yes, this is a full hands-on leaked video with the Note 20 Ultra, showing it off in full. What do you guys think? Is it what you expected, or were you expecting more? Like I said, Jimmy will be posting more videos, so again, make sure to go follow him. Links will be in the description. But let me know what you think about this device so far. Are you as excited as I am? August 5th is right around the corner, which will be the official unveiling for this device. So let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.